there, I'm Luke the Cookin' Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're just chilling out in our hammocks at the Island in the Sky region of Canyonlands National Park in Utah. The view is absolutely beautiful. Now we're about to hop in the Cookin' Camper and make some Canyonland ginger chicken and rice. Now this chicken recipe has very few ingredients and it's going to be really good. You just need a couple of chicken breasts, 2 packages of microwave jasmine rice, extra creamy original oat milk, low sodium or light soy sauce, and squeezed ginger. Now the first step in this recipe is turning on your cooktop. I've got mine on about a medium high, and then you're just going to take your chicken breasts and you're just going to put those right on the skillet. And then once these are in here, you're going to squeeze in a couple of tablespoons of your squeezed ginger. Now you can also use fresh ginger, but I think that the squeezed variety works very well with camping. And then you can just smear that on the chicken. Now after a few minutes, you'll see that your chicken is starting to turn white around the edges. And we can just flip it right over. And if a little bit of the ginger gets on the pan, just put it right back onto the other side of the chicken. And then we can cover it back up to finish cooking. And while that finishes, we're gonna pop our microwave rice into the microwave and you will cook it according to the package directions. And once your chicken is done, you will just take it out and put it onto a plate. And now you're gonna wanna turn your heat down to a low so that we can work on the sauce. And once you've got the chicken out, there should be a little bit of ginger left in the pan. And what we're gonna do is dump in the microwave rice. And then right on top of that, we're gonna put in our sauce ingredients. Now the sauce is super easy. It is just a tablespoon of our soy sauce and then 2 tablespoons of our oat milk. And now you're just going to want to stir that soy sauce and oat milk into the ginger with the rice. And then the rice is already heated up and the sauce will heat up instantly once it touches the rice, so you don't need to cook this, you just need to mix it until it's incorporated. Now if you would like a little bit more soy sauce, we are going to go ahead and add another teaspoon. And then you'll just stir that right in. Now to plate up this recipe, you're just gonna divide the rice into your bowls. And for us, this is about a perfect portion for 2 people. And then you just pop on those chicken breasts. Well, I promise that this recipe is going to be super delicious. If you try it out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We hope you can get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do.